Buongiorno everybody. Today with Grayline Rome, we're going to be talking about the best way to see Rome, Italy if you are traveling with a family with kids so that you can make the most of your time in the beautiful eternal city. If you don't follow and subscribe now, make sure you do. All right, let's get started with tip number one. You need to plan ahead, especially if you are going to be traveling during the peak seasons like summer or during religious holidays. You need to plan ahead. Otherwise, you're going to wait in those huge lines. Make sure you head over to Grayline Rome's website. They have skip the line tickets for various attractions. Tip number two, we are going to book the pink bus. This is a great way to get around the city, and Olivia absolutely loves it. And they even have a kids setting so that they're not listening to a boring adult tell them about Rome. They're going to listen to Sergio the cat. This is absolutely one of our favorite things to do, and nothing beats the look on your kid's face when they see the Colosseum for the first time. It makes the whole trip worth it. Here's a map with all the different stops. You're going to hit all the major attractions like Trevi Fountain, Colosseum, great places to stop. You're going to be able to check everything off your Rome bucket list with this bus. Number three, let's book a day trip. From Rome, because it's so central, you can visit the beautiful city of Venice, Florence. If your kids are into history, you can go visit the beautiful ruins of Ostia Antica or even Pompeii down near Naples, Mount Vesuvius area, or you could even take a day trip down to the Amalfi Coast. There's so many options. Tivoli is another great option here that you see. The Tivoli Gardens, Villa Adrian, that are all so close to the city of Rome. Last but certainly not least, pack for comfort and take your time. Take a break. There are so many beautiful things to enjoy in Rome, from the delicious food and treats that your family is absolutely going to love to munch on, to the beautiful sights, wearing comfortable shoes on these cobblestones and being willing to take breaks, check out and explore the markets versus being on the go all the time is going to make your trip so much more enjoyable. Your kids are going to love it. They're going to love you. Rome is such a great central location for everyone. If you'd like to see our other videos like tips on how to see the Vatican, Colosseum, and our other great Italy travel tips, make sure you subscribe and check out our other videos. We will see you next time. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments section.